Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Easy Cook with MILA. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spongy tea cake in a sandwich maker. Let's start. Bismillah. These are the ingredients required to make this cake. I'm taking half cup of maida, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we are going to first add the egg. And to the egg we are going to add the sugar and we are going to mix nicely. Nicely whisk it till the color changes. Now you can see the color has been changed. So at this stage we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we are going to mix this nicely. You can add butter also instead of oil. Now we are going to add in the maida. And half teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to mix this. Mix it nicely. You don't want any lumps, so nicely whisk it. Our batter is ready now. So you can see the consistency. So it's now ready to make the cakes. Now let's start to make the cake. Let's grease the toaster with some oil. Now let's pour this. Now let's bake this for 4 minutes. So our cake has come out nicely. You can see it's very simple. I'm adding in some choco chips. A small innovation, that's it. And now I'm going to pour this to our toaster. Let's check on this. It has come out well, soft, fluffy and spongy. Do try it in your kitchen and leave your comments in the comment box. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Ma salama. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and don't forget to click the bell icon.